How to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee Philippines. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopee Philippines. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Alibaba and Shopee, you can also use my affiliate link below the description for earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know, Alibaba, it is a group holding limited, commonly referred to as Alibaba, which is a prominent Chinese multinational technology company in which it is initially established as a B2B marketplace to connect Chinese manufacturers with global buyers. Alibaba has evolved into one of the largest e-commerce platforms, encompassing various business models, including business to customers, or B2C, and customer to customer, or C2C, sales. And aside from that, Alibaba operates through a diverse ecosystems that includes cloud computing, digital media, and logistics services. And now, aside from Alibaba, we could also know the overview of Shopee, in which it is a leading e-commerce platform also that originated in Singapore and has rapidly expanded to become the largest online shopping site in Southeast Asia, in which it operates primarily as a mobile-centric marketplace, allowing users to easily browse, buy, and sell products across various categories including electronics, fashions, and home goods. And now that we know the overview of Alibaba and Shopee, we can now proceed by knowing how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. And since there is no direct way on how we can start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopee, we're going to use the other platform called Shopify in order to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. So basically, the Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores, in which this platform allows users to build customizable online stores using a variety of templates, sell products across multiple channels including social media and physical locations, and manage inventory and customer data seamlessly. And now to create an account in here, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the login button on the top right corner, and after signing in, you'll be directed on this page. And it will show you some of the options on the left side panel that you can navigate. But to dropship product from Alibaba to Shopee, we're going to install some other applications under this Shopify. So just click this Add Apps button right here. And upon clicking this one, it will show you a pop-up window. And kindly proceed by simply clicking the Shopify App Store. And from here, it will show you a variety of applications that you can start installing. But to start installing the application for dropshipping from Alibaba, just click on the search bar and enter Alibaba. Then kindly proceed by simply clicking enter. Then it will show you below here all of the results. We have here Importify, AI reviews. However, in all of these options, just proceed by simply choosing this kind of application called Dropshipment, Easy Dropshipping. By simply clicking this one, it will automatically show us in here the overview about this application and also some of the features it offers. But if we scroll down right here, it will show us some of the pricing plan it offers, but it is also offered free to install. So we could also choose to start installing this application quickly or clicking this install button right here. Then just simply do the same process by clicking the install button right here. And after clicking or start installing this application, you'll now be able to see here on the left side panel that the dropship run has now been installed. And now as you can see in here, you can start navigating some other options in order to get started with dropshipping, just to find products and also to dropship to your Shopee account. But before that, it will show you on the left side panel some of these plans that offer with dropshipment that you could also avail if you want to, with its corresponding benefits included on each plan in here. Moving on, below here you could also start navigating this Find Products button to start looking for products that we can find on Alibaba, and also we can dropship to our Shopee account. So from here, as you can see, it will show us a variety of category of products that we can choose from to select or dropship, with its corresponding cheaper price that we can choose from. You could also navigate these all categories if you want to select a different kind of categories that you prefer. But from here, to connect your Alibaba, by simply clicking this listing products button. And as you can see from here, you have an option to import products from AliExpress, import products from Team, and even from Trust2.io. But at this point, we don't have here an Alibaba option to import directly an Alibaba products to this dropshipment that will be imported to our Shopee store. However, we could also use this application that we just installed by simply choosing or selecting a product that we can find on Alibaba. So from here, for example, if we're going to find a same product that we can find in here on dropshipment. So for instance, I'm going to go to Alibaba and I'm going to search on the search bar of it an item or products, for example, t-shirts. And after that, you will be able to see all of the results. So can you click an item or choose one in here. So let's say I'm going to click this item. So as you can see, it will show us in here all of the details, but simply copy the title of it and just simply go back to our dropshipment and search for the same product that we find on Alibaba. However, by simply searching it, it will show us in here that there is no result found. So you can simply choose a different kind of keywords that will reveal us the same product that we find on Alibaba to these dropshipment products. So basically, in finding the same products that we find on Alibaba to this dropshipment, we will be able to easily dropship some of the products that we find on Alibaba to this dropshipment. Moving on from here, you could also navigate the sourcing that will show you all of your source of your orders and also products in here. So now, for example, going back to these find products, we're going to simply choose this kind of products that we want to import. And to do that, kindly click this button, add the product list, and upon clicking this one, it will automatically show us that the product has now been added to our product list. So we can simply click this button again in order to add to our listing. But if you're looking for a specific kind of category or products, you could also navigate on the top panel if you want to. So basically, that's the first one on how you can start dropshipping from Alibaba to this Shopify. And now let's move on to dropship from Shopify to Shopee using the application that we're going to install. So again, to do that, kindly click this apps button right here and click this apps and sales settings. Then proceed by clicking Shopify App Store button on the top panel, and you will be able to be directed again on this page. And on the search bar, kindly search Shopee. Then you will be able to see all of the results. So all you need to do is simply click or choose this one, AC, Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. And again, just click the install button to start installing the application. Then you will be able to be directed on this page right here. So again, just do the same process by clicking the install button to proceed. So after successfully installing the application, you also need to select here some of the plans that they offer in order to dropship some of the product that we find on Alibaba to dropshipment that will be dropshipped to our Shopee account. So from here, all we need to do is simply upgrade or start with any of this plan to proceed. And after that, we can now easily dropship from Alibaba to Shopee some of the product. But again, you also need to simply purchase some of the plan in here to do so. And now to explain further, I'm going to use this kind of presentation in Canva to show you how it works. So basically, we're going to use this application or platform called Shopify as a middleman platform to dropship from Alibaba into Shopee account. So basically, we're going to use or install the dropshipment application from Shopify. And after dropshipping an Alibaba product to Shopify, we're going to now dropship those products to our Shopee store. So if the customer tries to purchase on Shopee, the application will send the algorithm or all of the details of the customer into Shopee and also to Alibaba. And Alibaba will do the order and send the package or the items that has been ordered on Shopee. So we basically don't need to bother or concern about the inventory of a specific item that we just dropship. So again, here are some of the two options of application that you could also install. But overall, that is just basically how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopee, Philippines. Thank you.